Oh, well, good morning, everybody. As you can see, I'm out ice fishing, but welcome back to another episode of Pursuing Limits. I am Cole, and today we're fishing a tournament. Hopefully today goes well. We're fishing a big pike tournament out of O'Connell, Wisconsin. It's called the Wise Guys Tournament, and the biggest pike is $600, so that's what we're going for today. Hopefully we get on some big ones. We're in a location where I have lost what I think is the biggest pike I've ever had on through the ice. So hopefully today goes good. There's only one other group out here. We got away from the people today, and we are still fishing Green Bay. So hopefully big pike are roaming, and I gotta start drilling holes, getting the lines in the water. So stay tuned for that. Well, we're just finishing getting set up. Oh, it feels good. That's what I like to hear. I don't have my mics on yet. We're not prepared. Oh, it's a good place. Oh yeah. I'm saying mid-30s.
That's okay. Third place could be 39. Good start at least.
This might be a
Just don't. It could be right there.
Oh,
It also big in there.
it looks huge down the hole.
Yeah. It's must look huge. 36 here going.
That's one way to start the tournament now. Whew.
They're all 33.
33?
No, that did not look like a 33 on the
No.
hole.
I looked down the hole and all I saw was a huge head. I'm like, oh, this is it.
Yeah, fish.
Hey, starting off strong, boys.
Nice job, dude. I couldn't feel anything. and then it dropped, and I thought it was just like the heavy bait. So
Well, first slag of the day. We ended up getting a 33 incher.
I wouldn't think it's big enough to win it. What do you think, Cole?
I don't know about winning it, but I think there's going to be a 40. Oh, another flag just popped, Steve.
That's the big one.
Oh.
What do you guys want to do with
Well,
this?
I would release
Anybody
it.
want fish or no?
No.
You want to take a picture with the bait or no?
Oh, we just had one flag go off. 33 incher. Now another flag just popped up behind us. The bite's turning on, so hopefully this next big bait is a nice
You
huge
couldn't really
pike.
help with that one if there's a fish on that, because that's the big mumbo jumbo.
Well, turn around, we got another fish. Well, this one ain't gonna win it. But got a nice little pike. It's cold, so we want to get back in the water so the fish don't freeze. It is so cold out here, guys. Oh, we just got into the shaft too, not even set up. We had 3 flags go off instantly. I'm so out of breath. We're running. The wind's ripping, the air's thick. Oh, we're tasting that 40 today though, so hopefully we get one of decent size out here. How's it feel, Peyton?
Pretty good.
Oh, this wind is ripping hard.
When you get close, let us know if you need help there, Peyton. He hasn't killed his
Oh man.
He's just sitting down there.
Well, that's a good sign. That's how that hog that you caught. He's not moving at all.
I see him.
Oh, good.
He's pulling pretty good though.
Yeah. When it gets close, let's.
Oh, I apologize for the wind.
Oh, that sucker's big. Let's get a hook in it.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, that's a hook.
Oh,
Should have been. Oh, he's fast, dude.
Look at that huge head, dude.
That looks like the same fish.
You have Cole, can you get a nice picture? I didn't bring my camera.
Yeah, I can.
Well, that's his brother. He's 34.
34?
Yeah.
Hot hole over here.
I don't know, maybe 35. It depends on what you do with the tail here. 35, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe we keep them.
Mine's
It is cold and windy. I mean, maybe a lot of fish won't get caught. I don't know.
True.
Oh, look at that thing. You barely got.
Oh, he feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
I like to hear.
I got the gap, so let's not.
Felt good originally. I think he's swimming towards me now. Still feels pretty good.
Oh, he got a ton of line on.
Oh, yeah.
Careful. I need it.
Yeah, he feels pretty good.
Good?
He's pulling back, yeah.
Yeah. Boot
Yep.
Just take your time with this fluorocarbon. There she goes again.
Yep.
Come on, make this the one.
Yeah, he's right down there.
Mid-30s we want at least.
He's right down there. He's back
I'm
up.
going to regret this decision. Oh, that was so cold.
Here he is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's better.
Let's
Oh,
go!
yeah.
That's better. Here, somebody keep reeling this and I'll get a quick measure on it. Oh, I can here, you guys measure. Cool, it's not live footage.
That one looks the biggest.
I'm thinking 37.
Yeah, this one beats the other one for sure.
Oh, yeah, this thing's good.
Let's get a nice picture before
Yeah.
it throws up too.
I got this side.
Looks like a
Where we at, boys?
34.
Really?
What is it?
35? 35?
35.
Yeah.
Same size as
35.
the other one. This one's just a lot chunkier.
Yeah, this one just looks bigger.
35? Are you sure?
You want me to measure it again? It does. 35.
35. That ain't bad.
Well, we got one to keep doing. We're gonna do. I want to get taking. I want to try to get a nice
Yep.
picture on my camera.
As you guys heard, that was another 35 incher.
Yeah.
Big girls are biting today. Hopefully you get on a little bit bigger than that.
Oh.
And hopefully they're hungry.
It's ringing. Your phone's.
I don't have. You got your clippers full? I don't know where mine are. They must be sitting at the last hole, or.
Yeah, you can answer your phone. I can get it out.
You can find your phone.
Well, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh, barely had that one too.
Oh.
Wow, I did nothing there and it came out.
All right, let's.
Whew, hands are
All
cold.
right, Peyton. You ready for us? This is a lot, man.
Yeah, he's heavy, dude.
Chunky.
All right, somewhere.
Well, guys, as you see, I'm in the truck. I'm gonna head over to the local bait shop and go get some dead bait for us because the dead bait's working better out here. So it's only 10 o'clock. Might as well go get some dead bait now when it's early enough and go try it out, I guess. So I'm gonna rip on over there, get dead bait, and next time you see me, I'll be back on the ice.
Get that guy on Fox 11.
Oh, oh, it feels. Oh, oh. Yeah, no, this one's big.
Wanna hold this? I don't want to do it.
Oh yeah.
All right, he's running towards it. Oh. There's so much weight here. Like a ton. Could this be the one?
This is the one.
This is the one?
This is the one.
You can feel it.
There's a ton of weight.
Yeah, it looks
Took it all
good.
the wrong ways.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is where it gets scary. Oh, it's
See it yet or no?
No, I didn't see it.
gone.
Oh, it took a lot.
Oh yeah. He's just doing huge head shakes, and this is how I lost the one at the hole.
It's gotta be getting close.
Oh yeah, I'm at the leader now. Oh my God. Oh, Steve.
Oh, you're on.
Huh? He's not that big, but he just
some
broke
pretty
me
good
off.
size. No.
Come on.
No.
Oh
That was probably mid-30.
my God.
That's why I don't like this line right here. I changed all mine off for that. One little shake on there, and that was it.
That's always me. It's always me. Gosh darn it, dude.
Oh yeah, that's pain.
That was probably mid-30s Pike, and it's gone.
Yeah.
God dang it. Oh, go get a treble hook and redo it, I guess.
Yeah, so much for saving the walk back.
Yeah.
Just start eating some food.
Thanks.
Just want
You got him?
yeah.
All right.
Wait on up or
Not really, but
pulling gun?
Yeah, he's coming towards me. Hope he's still there. Feels like he is. Doesn't feel too big anymore. Never know though. Here he is.
there he goes. I don't want to be blocking the camera.
He's just sitting down. Swam up.
Both sides?
No.
Not really. I didn't even pull him up there. He swam up to the hole.
Chunky.
Ooh, look at the metallic on that thing.
Oh yeah, wow. Not bad.
Another one right in the lip.
Yeah, they're not like inhaling today.
I'm guessing ours was
Look, it's already out.
Oh, mine was
Quick,
choked
just to see.
deep because it broke 8 inches up from where the hook was. Steve,
What's that?
I had my sinker like 8 inches away from the hook,
Uh-huh.
and it broke right under the sinker.
29. That's
So it had to have had it down its throat.
this one got something got here.
Yeah, your
Go
bait.
Go get bigger, buddy. Oh yeah. I like that.
There he goes. It's
There
muddy.
it goes.
Money down there, churned it up.
Yeah, my hands are muddy.
Wow.
That was weird. That like never happens where it just like swims up the hole.
Yeah,
Can you grab the bait?
It's frozen.
frozen.
You gotta keep hitting it, dude.
Oh, give it to him.
Wow,
Spool.
spooled.
Got him.
And this is a 12-inch bait.
Yes.
Oh,
It's sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
yeah.
This is the double treble hook.
I hope he's still here.
Is there any size to it?
I don't feel anything.
Uh-oh.
That was cold. He's probably so far away, he doesn't even feel the hook yet. Whoa.
No, nothing.
Look at that.
Come on.
Oh!
No. Damn. How
What?
does
It
that
must have
happen?
not been in the mouth very far then.
Well, something grabbed it and just did eat it. Wow.
We thought this
Looks
was
so
the
good.
one. Yeah.
Put it right back down, please. Oh.
Thought that was it.
You had no line left either. I mean, you're within seconds of getting spooled.
Right? Something was hurting.
Man. That was a 12-inch bait. That fish spooled you.
Quick too. We saw it pop.
Wow.
Dude.
Yes? Oh,
Man.
wow. It's around. The 40's around. We could feel it.
Wow.
Come
that
on.
was exciting, dude.
Oh, well, guys. As you can see, I'm back home. And today was a good day. We caught a lot of fish. Only 2 under 30 inches, which is cool. We didn't win the tournament necessarily, but we went and checked in the board, and safe to say we were nowhere close. We caught a 35-inch pike. Probably lost a couple that were a little bit bigger. And the board had 4 pike over 39 inches, so obviously they're the go-getters. Oh, my dog's running away. Bo, come on. Here. Well, I guess that's where we're going to close it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little tournament action. I do have 2 more tournaments this year. One's a Game of Inches tournament, which I'm super excited for. And hopefully that goes all well. It's for $1,000, so might as well get a chance to do that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next episode of Pursuing Limits.